Mono Munem, Ayebwe Melana, the Biko governor. Please have mercy on us. Your Excellency, please have mercy on us. This is too much. We can't bear it anymore. Soludo. Have mercy on us. Soludo. 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 Have mercy on us. Soludo. Have mercy on us. Distinguished members of the press, respected elders, fellow youth, mothers, fathers, brothers, and sisters of Ogidi, good morning, everybody. Today, we did not gather here out of anger. We did not gather here to cause violence. We are here because of pain has finally found a voice. Your Excellencies, gentlemen and women, my name is Mr. Chris Obiokafo. I stand before you today as the president of Ogidi Youth, carrying not just my own tears, but the tears of an entire people, drowning slowly in silence. Ogidi is crying. Ogidi is bleeding. Ogidi is sinking. Every rainfall in our community has become a nightmare. What used to be a blessing from God has now become a season of fear, sorrow, and destruction. The flood disaster in Ogidi has gone beyond ordinary suffering. It has become a humanitarian crisis. Our fathers can no longer go to their farms with pigs because cash drops and the economic trees worth millions are washed away. Businesses are collapsing daily. Roads have become rivers. Homes are flooded. Movements have become almost impossible. Even the palace and surroundings of our revered Igbo is not spared. Whenever rain falls, the area becomes impassable. If the palace of our traditional ruler can be overtaken by flood, then tell us, where exactly is safe in Ogidi? Where exactly? Tell me. Our children are the ones suffering the most painful fate. Each time rain falls, many children cannot go to school. Imagine the future we are creating when our children are forced to stay home every rainy season. Imagine the dreams that are dying silently because they cannot cross flood waters to access education. What becomes of a community whose children are denied learning because of flood? What becomes of tomorrow when today is already destroyed? We are only in the month of May, and Ogidi is already submerged. We tremble whenever dark clouds gather because we know what follows next. Destruction, fear, hunger, and tears. We cannot imagine what will happen when rain comes fully. Your Excellency, The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Soludo, we cry to you today as your children. We plead for urgent federal intervention because before lives are lost, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo, we speak to you today with a heart. Ogidi has supported this government with our whole being. We have stood faithfully with the progress of Anambra State. But today, our people look back in pain and ask, in what way have we offended the government? We refuse to remain silent while our community disappears before our very eyes. May our cries touch the heart of those in authority. May urgent action come before it is too late. God bless Ogidi, God bless Anambra State, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Your Excellency, on behalf of Ogidi youths and the entire Ogidi people, both home and diaspora, mono monem ayebwe belena ni biko government. Biko please have mercy on us. Your Excellency, please have mercy on us. This is too much. We can't bear it anymore.
I'm sorry to Governor. I want to tell you, and no belonga last year. No gallery, you can teach it. My name was a bit delays the project. So Gabaro lead a delegation to him this week. Where you're queer from Lebele, Melen to Lebele. I put my name there. Deep in a leader, Nabo, gave you support. Millionaires will do. I'm here to check. I told you about now, understand? About that, only a woman manager, I'm getting about that. About that, but don't tell me now. The whole world have to go now. Apana be matine kinebi Soludo. Udaina sona toka kinebi Soludo. Panya. Apana be toka kinebi Soludo. Soludo karaya karaya Soludo. Đi qua cả rồi nè. Soludo karaya karaya Soludo.